We're looking more at the converses of the theorems and postulates we looked at in the last section. For this one, it says, how can you tell whether the sides of the pattern are parallel in the photo of the diamondback snakes? Now, I'm going to zoom in on this because it's kind of hard to see. But if I zoom in here, if we look carefully, they're showing us that this angle right here is equal to that angle right there. And since those two angles are equal, we can state that alternate interior angles are congruent. And since alternate interior angles are congruent, then we can state that the lines are parallel, these lines right here. And that's basically what it says. Now we want to know if lines A and B are parallel. In this case, we can see that alternate exterior angles are congruent, therefore the lines are parallel. And that's all you'd need to do to explain it. And here's another one. Again, we look at these two angles, and hopefully you recognize these are corresponding angles. Since corresponding angles are congruent, we can state that the lines A and B are parallel. And for this one, it says that angles 1 and 2 are equal to 180. That's not what we want to know, and that doesn't really help us in terms of showing whether the lines are parallel or not. If it was angle 1 was right here, then we could state that same side interior or consecutive interior angles are congruent, but when the alternate interior angles are supplementary, it doesn't really help us in this regard. So again, supplementary angles do not have to be congruent. So that would be no, we don't know whether they're parallel or not. And that's it. Thanks.